of some degree. Then you have the
on an infinitesimal level. Now, when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements
that I didn't have, right, I mean,
down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Like the Hertz per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies,
we pause between the
880. So you have that I didn't have.
Right, I mean,
down. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.